Making shapes in Google Slides. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Windows on your computer and make sure you are on the main desktop screen. Next, move to the search bar and type Google Chrome into it. When the search results appear, click to open Google Chrome on your computer so that the browser launches properly. After the browser launches, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the window. Type Google Slides in the address bar and press Enter on your keyboard to search for the website. From the search results that appear, click on the official Google Slides website to ensure you are accessing the correct platform. Once the website loads successfully, make sure you're logged into your Google account so you can create and edit presentations. When you're logged in, the Google Slides homepage will appear, showing your existing presentations and template options. On this page, you can either create a new blank presentation or open an existing presentation example from a list. For this tutorial, we will start with a blank presentation to demonstrate the process from the beginning. Click the Blank Presentation option to create a new slide deck. After the presentation opens, move your cursor toward the top section of the Google Slides interface. To add a shape to your slide, find and click the Shape button at the top of the screen. This button is represented by an icon that looks like a circle and a square. After clicking the Shape button, a pop-up menu will appear showing several categories of shapes that you can use. In this menu, select the shape category that best fits your needs. For example, choose Shapes if you want to add common geometric shapes, Arrows if you need directional arrows, callouts for chat bubble styles, or Equation if you want mathematical symbols. Once you select a category, different shape options will appear in the menu. Look through the list and find a shape you want to add to your slide. For example, you can click Rectangle, which is represented by a square icon. After selecting the shape, your cursor pointer will change into a crosshair symbol that looks like a plus sign. Move your cursor to the location on the slide where you want the shape to appear. Then click and hold your mouse button while dragging the cursor outward. Continue dragging until the box reaches the size you want. Finally, release the mouse button, and your shape will be successfully created.